How do you get to school every day? Maybe your parents drive you. Maybe you take the bus. Or maybe you roll there on your moped, skateboard, or bike. Whatever mode of transportation you take, we are along for the ride. Everywhere you turn, things are turning around you. Spinning, rotating. Take a look. We are in the fields, out to sea, and in the air. We are in your home and at the factory down the street. Our job is to make things rotate reliably, and that all begins with reducing friction. We've been doing that job for more than a century. The year was 1907, and our founder, Sven Wingquist, worked as an engineer at a textile factory in Gothenburg, Sweden. He invented the very first self-aligning ball bearing, revolutionary at the time because it was a new flexible design that prevented wear and tear and eventual machine breakdowns. In the years that followed, we played a pivotal role in the evolution of industry, first in Sweden, then around the world. We even founded Volvo. But enough with the history lesson. Let's fast forward to today. SKF operates in 130 countries, works across 40 different industries, and has a global team of 45,000 employees. We are a leading bearing supplier, manufacturing pretty much every type of ball and roller bearing there is. But what you may not know is that we also specialize in lubrication systems, seals, and services. Lubrication is a substance used inside the bearings to reduce friction and make sure the machines run smoothly. Seals are used to keep the dirt out and the lubricant in. An example of a service is the monitoring of machines. It's possible to see how healthy the bearings are by measuring things like vibration and temperature. Often, we help our customers use that data so they know ahead of time when repair of their machines is needed. We call it predictive maintenance, and we use it in places like paper mills and mines. Bearings are becoming smarter, and so are the machines they're used in. You may have heard the term Internet of Things, the connection of everyday objects to the internet and to each other. Smart machines that send data and communicate are all part of the connected industrial world, a world where we want to be a technology leader. So in this shift to digitalization, it's important we have world-class engineers. In addition to our own technology research and development, we team up with technical universities around the world to ensure we work with the most talented young engineers out there. Maybe you will be one of those one day, helping us prolong product life cycles, researching new materials, making a difference. We believe it's important to do business the right way, in a sustainable way, because it affects the communities we call home. There are over 1 billion cars on the roads today. An SKF wheel bearing unit can reduce friction by up to 20% compared to standard units, and that saves a lot of energy. And that's just in cars. If there was just a little less friction and less weight in all we designed and built, imagine the possibilities.
We are truly everywhere.
And that's never going to change.
Because everything around us
will keep turning,
spinning,
rotating.
We are creating a world of reliable rotation.
So our crusade
against friction and weight continues.
That work will never be done.
Will never be done.
Will never be done.
It's a never-ending story.
Ansell presents HyFlex 11928, dual protection from cuts and mechanical fluids. Intercept Technology ISO cut level D performance for the ultimate in cut resistance. Double layer Repel nitrile coating for dry and comfortable hands when handling oily parts and tools. Intermittent contact heat protection when handling hot parts, up to 100 degrees Celsius.
When industrial workers are routinely exposed to oil, it can lead to uncomfortable skin diseases such as dermatitis and eczema. These diseases leave workers with itchy, irritated hands, which prevents them from doing their jobs uninterrupted. This is why Ansell introduces the 11928 HyFlex, our latest in multi-risk protection. It provides cut resistance, oil repellence and grip. It also protects workers from intermittent contact heat up to 100 degrees C. With an EN388 cut score of ISO level D, the HyFlex 11928 is well suited to industrial workers exposed to high level of cut risk, especially when in the presence of mechanical fluids.
Ideal for applications such as handling sharp oily objects, general assembly, cutting, grinding, machining, surface preparation, handling of glass, metal, plastics, general maintenance. Ideal for industries such as automotive, glass, metal fabrication, machinery and equipment, transport. HyFlex 11928, strong protection for strong hands.
Hi there, I'm Joe and I've got some great new products to show you. Ledlenser's brand new intrinsically safe ATEX range. There's a pen light, handheld torch and a brilliant new head torch. Trust me, there's nothing else out there quite like it. So what's so amazing about this revolutionary new range? Well, in a nutshell, it's Ledlenser's unique ability to bring their renowned technology to an industrial environment, a potentially hazardous environment that demands intrinsically safe lighting products. In this environment, cutting-edge features often get dropped by manufacturers because they're just too difficult and expensive to implement. Ask any one of the millions of professionals around the world who rely on Ledlenser products what they love most about their Ledlenser, and they'll probably say it's the shadow-free spot-to-flood system. It's a brilliant feature, but it's difficult to implement reliably in hazardous environments. Well, our engineers have finally cracked it. As I'm going to demonstrate, the spot-to-flood functionality in this range performs beautifully. As you'd expect, the range also offers exceptional performance in terms of light output and running times, and they are fully functional whilst wearing gloves thanks to the magnetic switch that clicks reassuringly into place. The products in this demonstration are certified to Zone 0 for hazardous gas environments and Zone 20 compliant for dust. This is the highest in their class. And as with all Ledlenser products, you can rely on our industry-leading 7-year warranty. To see these and all of our other lighting solutions, please visit our website.